Nature and characteristics of social control. First, nature. Control of over individuals. It is the control of society over individuals. Second, influence by various ways. Social control denotes some kinds of influence by various ways by means of public opinion, coercion, religion, leadership, etc. 3. Control is essential in this society. The influence of social control is essentially exerted by the society or community. 4. Promoting the welfare. The influence of social control is exercised for promoting the welfare or well-being of all the individuals or the groups as a whole. 5. Essential condition. Social control is as old as human society. It is an essential condition of the human society. 6. Social control is universal. The influence of social control is universal. Where there is society, there is social control. 7. Social control by formal and informal agencies. It is exercised through both formal and informal agencies. Social control through ages. First, social control in modern society appeal through reason. Social control in future, significant multiplication of voluntary agencies. Thank you. Have a nice day.